This one might be one of my favorite topics to talk about because things are always changing. We're always progressing. The future is always coming. And our future in window coverings, really our present, is in motorized window coverings. And motorized window coverings kind of covers a large breadth of control systems. It doesn't always mean that they're automated. It doesn't always mean that it's a handheld remote control. It can be any variety of motorized or motorized assist options that I really would like to discuss today. The first of which is a simple motorized assist option, and that could be a wand that hangs down that has a button on it with an up arrow, a down arrow, and a stop arrow. So it's very simple in design. It doesn't complicate things with having to be attached to the internet or have a hub or a gateway or an app on your phone. It doesn't have to be a handheld remote that you might misplace in a drawer or try to figure out what channel it's on or which button you use to raise and lower it, but a simple wand that hangs down with a simple up and down arrow that is battery powered, could even be supported by a solar panel for continuous recharging of the battery. But it offers you a very convenient and a very low price point option if you want to dip your toe into motorized window coverings. The next type of window covering that we offer is more of your handheld remote style, and it could be a hardwired or it could be a battery option, could be alkaline batteries, could be rechargeable batteries, could also be supported with a solar panel that helps collect the sun's energy to recharge the shade on a regular basis. But this is operated by simple handheld remote. We no longer have point and shoot or infrared options for remotes. They're all now radio frequency, so you could be up to 30 or 40 feet away from a shade. You don't have to point it at a particular shade, and you can even call it out on the remote as to which shade you want to open or close, or we can group a number of shades into each one of those buttons so that you have the ultimate level and control. With a handheld remote, you could open one shade or two shades, or you could open two rooms of shades with that same remote. So that level of versatility is incredible for someone that doesn't want to go all the way to programming, integration, gateways, hubs, apps, and all of the other technologically advanced things that everything seems to adhere to these days. The next type of motorization really is an app-based, a gateway-based type of motorization, and that can be paired with a remote, can also be used in a hardwired electrical capacity or a battery-powered alkaline or rechargeable, then supported with a solar panel. But we can hook that up to a hub or a gateway device that allows your phone to be able to connect to your shades or your iPad. Could be an iPhone, could be an Android device, could be an Apple, could be an Android tablet. Hunter Douglas Somfy and other companies feature apps that coordinate with their different types of shadings. You can check the battery level of your shadings. You can raise and lower your shades individually on your phone or iPad through the app. You can program them over time, or you can even connect them to third-party automation systems like Lutron or Crestron, Savant, Elan, Control4, or many of the other commercially available control options for your home. That way, we can now program and integrate your shade use with your light use, your AV use. One of the most popular ones we do is a movie watching mode, where when you fire up your television and you want to watch a movie, your lights dim automatically and your room darkening shades lower automatically, or your room darkening curtains close automatically. So we have the ultimate in control in motorization. They are incredibly reliable motors because motorized shades have been out since about 1994. So we're a little over 30 years now of motorized shades in the marketplace, and they've only continued to get better and higher in quality, more reliable, and the cost has continued to come down over time because the technologies have been available to more people. In our business, I would equate this to garage door openers. Very rarely does anyone get out of their car to get out and open the garage door so they can pull in and then shut the garage door themselves. Everyone has an integrated button in their car, or a key fob, or an app on their phone that opens and closes that garage door rather than having to do it manually. This is where we see the window coverings business going, and at One Stop Decorating, more than 50% of the window coverings we sell are motorized.